Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you the berry company taste and goodness Superberries. So these are the berry juice and no artificial color is there, no preservative, no artificial sweetness is there. So these are the raspberries, I believe, or all kind of berries they have mentioned over here. Juice drink made with natural fruit juice from concentrates, and the pack size is 330 ml. So really nice, you can carry with yourself and you can drink anywhere. So this is a product of produced in UK, and over here they have mentioned the company in London. So it's a UK London based. And about red berries, so these are all the red berries and other super combines, pomegranate. So they have mentioned they have added little some other products also, some other fruits also in it. So let's not waste much time and start the video. So let's open this, and so this is how it looks like. They came in 2 packs, and both the packs costed me $1.5. So you can calculate. Before using, I need to shake it well. It's required for every juice. Before using, you need to shake it well. So here comes the juice, and now I'm gonna pour it in a glass and you can have a look how it is. So it's a plain blank color, whatever the fruit color it would be. I don't think there is an added color to it. Is it looking beautiful? Yes, it is. It's beautiful. So friends, now I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it is. Very nice, good taste, even no added sugar. I can't find any sugar to it. It's very nice, natural and amazing drink. So friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and keep on watching. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.